Hi, I'm Sarah from Jimmy Beans Wool, and today we're going to go over everything you need to know for block 17 of the Cascade Yarns Diagonal Afghan. Alright, so block 17 is this beautiful, beautiful checkered basket weave pattern. So it's very simple. You do the whole block with knits and purls, and then you also used slip stitches, which we showed in our Knitterati basic techniques video. So there will be a link to that in the upper right hand corner of your screen right now. If you're unfamiliar with any of that, we'll show you how to do the slips and where to hold the yarn. But it's pretty straightforward, and once it's been on your needles for a minute, you'll be able to see the patterning below the live stitches on your needle, and you'll be able to read it and know what to do next. You'll memorize it pretty quickly. This one should work up fast and fun, and we're really excited. Alright, so that was everything you need to know for block 17, but if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. We'll see you in 2 weeks. Thanks for watching.
Thank you so much for checking out this video. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing because we have a lot more yarn reviews, tutorials, and other fiber fun like that. Happy crafting!